In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Mixpanel account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your Mixpanel profile removes your user access to workspaces and projects you're part of, and it can't be undone. If you need any reports or settings for your own records, consider exporting or noting them first. Also, this process deletes your user profile, not an entire project or organization. If your goal is to remove a workspace or change billing, talk to an admin or follow Mixpanel's workspace-specific procedures instead. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to Mixpanel, then sign in. You can begin from any page in the app. Look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar for the gear-shaped settings icon and click it. This is the quickest way to reach your account controls. Next, hover your cursor over the settings area to reveal the options. When the menu opens, choose Personal Settings. This takes you to your account page where you manage your profile notifications and privacy preferences. We're focusing on the account deletion control. On the Personal Settings page, look toward the top right for the option labeled Delete Your Profile. Click that. Mixpanel will open a confirmation dialog to make sure you understand what happens next. The prompt typically explains that deleting your user account will remove your access and that the action is permanent. Review the message carefully. If you're part of multiple projects or organizations, those workspaces will remain for other members. Only your user profile is being removed. If that's what you want, proceed by selecting Delete Profile in the confirmation dialog. If you've changed your mind, simply cancel and you'll remain signed in. After you confirm, Mixpanel will process the request and sign you out. You may see a confirmation screen or receive an email confirming the deletion. If you still have access after a refresh, give it a moment and try signing out and back in to verify the change. If the delete option is grayed out or you can't find it, make sure you're in personal settings rather than organization settings. Try a desktop browser or contact Mixpanel support for help. To recap, the flow is simple. Open Mixpanel, click the settings gear in the bottom left, hover to reveal options, go to personal settings, click delete your profile, confirm by selecting delete profile, and you're done. That's all it takes to permanently delete your Mixpanel account profile.